coming to relationships. Now students, we must understand that in accountancy, whenever one attribute links itself with another attribute, it is referred to as a relationship when we study it under computerized accounting system. For example, in a journal entry, a particular account has been debited. So debit links itself to a particular account. So there is a relationship between debit and that particular account. Whenever we pass a journal entry, one account is debited and the other one is credited. These two accounts are linked by rules of debit and credit. So their attributes are linked, hence it is a relationship. So these relationships can be of various types. Remember, whenever one attribute links itself to other, it is one kind of relationship. Like I had just discussed, debit for one account and credit for another account. This is relationship between two attributes which is actually linking these two accounts. Then we can have relationship between two employees. Let's say voucher prepared by one employee is being used by another employee for reference. So it is some linking between the two employees. It is one relationship. Then you can have relationship between two attributes like voucher and employees. This is a voucher. This voucher has been prepared by a particular employee. Since this employee has prepared this voucher, there is a direct linking of attributes between the employee and the voucher. So this flowchart gives a binary relationship between the attributes of vouchers and the employees. So there can be various relationship between two accounts, two employees, one account, employee, any document and an employee. So they are categorized as various types of relationships. The second part in any relationship is degree. Now students, degree is actually reflected by the number of participating entities in any relationship. So it is reflected by number of participating entities. Like for example, in this case, this is entity 1 and this is entity 2. So there are two entities, so it can be classified as a binary relationship. Since there are only two entities, it is a binary relationship. In case there are three entities, it will be called as ternary relationships. Ternary relationship or ternary degree, in which you have three entities. Like for example, a supplier is supplying goods. So you will have supplier who is supplying goods to projects, and then there are parts, spare parts also. So supplier is supplying supplies for various projects and he is supplying parts also. So in this case we have first, second and third. Three entities involved here, so this is a kind of ternary relationship. The next part in any relationship is the role names. Now remember, there are various entities which actually come together to link attributes and create relationships. Each of these entities, they perform specific function in a relationship. These functions that are performed are given specific role names. Like for example, in a binary relationship, two entities come together and link their attributes to create a binary relationship, and they perform specific roles. Let us take an example. Like for example, a voucher has been created by a particular employee. Here, voucher is the first entity, employee is the second one. So, voucher has a role name of document created. Document created. And employee would be actually presenter or created by. He is playing the role of a creator, so it would be highlighted as created by the name of this employee. Remember, this role name will actually make the role of various entities very, very clear in case something is found wrong with this document. So it is only the presenter or the creator who has right and the authority to rectify it. Nobody else other than him can be authorized or is authorized to correct this kind of anomaly in the document.